Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're looking at Tattooed Chef. Tattooed Chef, awesome stock. A little undervalued right now. But I have these puts and I want to see if I can get some premium out. This one expires today. And see if I can roll it out another week or two and get some more premium out of it. Let's see how it goes. Okay, we got let's try to go out a little further. Let's go out to the monthly. November, nope. Okay, let's go the week right before. Get some more options. It's $1. I'll take that. That's pretty good. Going out a month about 5 weeks. Get $100. I'll take it. Wow, that was hard. I went all the way down to 65 cents. So not ideal. I wanted $1. But still not bad, I guess. I'll take it. You can see here I rolled that $19 put out till November 12th. It was like 4 more weeks, 5 more weeks, whatever. And got some premium, collecting some premium on it. So I lowered my cost basis. And now it's got some time to recover before I get put that stock. I can take that money and reduce my cost basis. All right, guys. Be sure you guys subscribe to see what's going on. Good luck out there finding the Tattooed Chef. It's hard to find. Cheeseburger bowl's awesome. Be sure you subscribe, and thanks for watching.